How to troubleshoot a touchscreen that does not respond to touch or responds intermittently. If the touchscreen on your computer does not respond when you touch it, or if sometimes the screen responds and sometimes it does not, follow these steps to troubleshoot your computer. If the screen has never responded to being touched, but you think it should, use one of these methods to confirm that your computer has a touchscreen. In Windows, search for and open View Pin and Touch. If the Pin and Touch section reads "No pin or touch input is available for this display," the computer does not have a touchscreen. Check the product specifications for your computer model on the HP customer support website at https://support.hp.com. Check the labels on the computer and on the product packaging. Notebook and all-in-one computer models equipped with touchscreens are branded with the word Touch or Touch Smart. Your touchscreen might not respond because it is not enabled, or it may need to be reinstalled. Use Device Manager to enable and reinstall the touchscreen driver. In Windows, search for and open Device Manager. Expand the Human Interface Devices list. Right-click the touchscreen device and then click Enable, if possible. If the Enable option does not display, continue to the next step. Tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue with the next step. Right-click the touchscreen device and then select Uninstall. Restart the computer to reinstall the touchscreen driver. Tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. Configure the display to identify your screen as a touch device. In Windows, search for and open Calibrate the screen for pin and touch input. On the Display tab, select Setup. Follow the instructions on screen. Tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. Device driver updates released through Windows Update might resolve touchscreen issues. In Windows, search for and open Check for Updates. Click Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it. The computer may restart after updates are complete. When the update installation is complete, tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. Use the HP PC Hardware Diagnostics UEFI test to detect problems with the touchscreen hardware. Connect the AC adapter to the computer and plug it into a power source. Press the power button for at least 5 seconds to turn off the computer. Turn on the computer and immediately press the ESC or Escape key repeatedly, about once every second. When the startup menu appears, press the F2 key. When the HP PC Hardware Diagnostics screen displays, select Component Tests. Select Touchscreen. There are 2 interactive touchscreen hardware tests. Select Touch Pointer Test first. Read the on-screen instructions and then select Run Once. Touch each of the blocks on the screen to erase them. The test ends after you erase all the blocks or after 3 minutes have passed. Then the results display. Select Main Menu to return to the main screen. Select Component Tests and then select Touchscreen. Select Drag and Drop Test. Read the on-screen instructions and then select Run Once. Drag each orange rectangle to the box indicated by the arrows using a finger or a stylus. The test ends after you reposition all the blocks or after 3 minutes. Then the results display. If the computer passes the diagnostics tests, but the touchscreen still does not respond during regular use, continue to the next step. If one or both tests fail, a 24-digit code or failure ID displays. Contact HP and provide this code. The failure ID is also available in the test logs on the main menu. Power settings can cause the touchscreen to stop working after the computer wakes up from sleep mode. Change the power settings so that the touchscreen stays active while the computer is in sleep mode. Changing this setting might result in more power consumption during sleep mode. In Windows, search for and open the Device Manager. Expand the Human Interface Devices list. Right-click the touchscreen device and then select Properties. On the Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then select OK. The touchscreen should remain working after the computer awakens from sleep mode. If it does not, continue to the next step. If the previous steps do not work, perform a hard reset or a full shutdown and restart. To do a hard reset on a notebook computer, turn off the computer, disconnect all external devices, and then disconnect the AC adapter. Remove the computer from any port replicator or docking station. If your computer has a removable battery, remove the battery from the battery compartment. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to drain any residual electrical charge. If your notebook computer has a removable battery, insert the battery into the battery compartment. Plug the AC adapter back into the notebook and into a power source. Do not connect any peripheral devices. Turn on the computer. If a startup menu opens, use the arrow keys to select Start Windows Normally and then press Enter. Wait for the computer to start and then tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. To restart an all-in-one computer with Windows 10, select the Windows icon and then select the power icon, select Restart. Wait while the computer turns off and then restarts. Tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. Installing an updated version of the graphics card driver might repair the touchscreen's functionality. Search for and open Windows Device Manager. Expand the Firmware menu. Double-click System Firmware. Select the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for the update to download and then follow the instructions. When the BIOS update is complete, search for and open the Windows Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters menu. Double-click Display Adapters. Select the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for the update to download and then follow the instructions. When the display adapter has finished updating, tap the screen to see if it responds. If it does not, continue to the next step. If the steps above did not work, you might need to service your computer. Go to hp.com/go/contact HP.